episode. I am surprising my daughter with a gaming laptop. She's been asking for one for the longest time, but I just I don't know why I didn't get it, but I have it now. I got my notification that UPS is on the way, should be delivered today. I thought I heard the truck, the UPS truck, because you know they'll be making a lot of noise. So, oh my gosh, the truck is outside. I am gonna go. She's upstairs. Shh, I don't want her to know about it yet. Hold on guys. What you doing upstairs?
Reading.
You reading?
Yeah.
Good girl. I got something for you.
Yes. What is it?
Guys, put a comment below if you think she could guess exactly what's under the blanket. Right over here.
Under the blanket?
Yeah.
Is it a jumping? This mouse is adorable.
It's your gaming laptop.
I love this mouse. It's adorable. How did you know I would like this?
Because I know you. You're girly and you love blingy things.
Hey, it's sunset color.
You want to open it now?
Yes. I'll
Okay.
try it out.
You want to try it out now?
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. Let's do it.
I'm gonna open it now. Oh my gosh, this is so big.
It's black.
Yeah, black.
Ooh,
My
wow.
favorite color.
Okay, let's see what we got. What we got. Ooh, wow.
Oh my gosh, I love that color.
What else you got in here?
Oh, it doesn't matter.
Okay, you got all the other accessories in here. The charger.
The charger is here.
Yeah.
It's gonna be humongous. Humongous.
Okay. All right, guys, we're gonna go set everything up and then be right back. Go ahead, take it off.
Okay. These letters look so modern.
Oh, we gotta power it on, and we probably need to wait for it to press the power button. Press and hold. Yeah, we're probably gonna have to go. All right, we're gonna go power it up and then take it for a test run.
Download?
Nah, test run.
Download.
Stay quiet. Just select the little microphone icon towards the bottom of your screen.
What?
If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to turn on narrator.
All right, guys, we're gonna go. We're gonna get it set up, and we'll be right
Let's
back.
begin.
She's trying to figure out how to use the keys. We're in Roblox.
Oh my gosh, I died. Now I'm so used to my other one. What am I doing?
Close your mouth.
What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing right now.
You'll figure it out.
I don't know. It's playing Tower of Hell.